good for the mission, Matthew.
You're the vision?
The mission.
You said the vision.
You know, the mission.
I thought you said you were the vision.
Do you want that bowl or
It's your
another
vision. I'm just one of your robot slaves that...
You serial
Just got in,
fuckers.
get to work then and stop
I like
running your
this one.
fucking mouth.
Well,
'cause
maybe
apparently
you
you're
should
fucking
fucking
malfunctioning.
reprogram me better.
Hey guys, we are here, and Carrie and Linda found us the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Strawberry that just came out. I'm super stoked about it.
I'm so excited.
Super stoked.
I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I was asked not to open it, so one of you guys get to do the honors.
Who asked you not to open it?
He
He had
did.
his hands on his
I
balls.
scratched my balls.
He was deep in that motherfucker. Balls deep in the motherfucker.
Balls deep. That's deep right there.
Look at that, guys. It's kind of
Get
pink,
like
too.
closer. Hold on.
Pull it out of the box?
Yeah.
That's just weird.
Hold on. Can we like show them the inside?
Show them the
Oh
inside.
my god, they're gonna fly.
Oh my god.
Well, that was the video, guys.
Yeah.
We're just gonna catch it in there. Slow mo the fuck out of it. It's fine.
Yeah, look, guys.
Yeah, look inside that bag.
Oh,
I want to count.
Balls.
Me too.
Get the fuck away from me, goddamn. Look at that, guys. Great.
I want it to come too.
It smells like strawberries and cinnamon.
I want to smell it.
Crunch.
I'm excited.
That it does.
I'm really excited. Look how happy these little squares are.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
This one looks like a crackhead.
Just like you.
Hey! Now that long tongue one looks like me.
Yeah, it does.
I'm grabbing
Go
this.
show them.
This is me right here. The tongue is grabbing a strawberry. That's me. And this is Tommy. And
Can I be the top left?
no, you're this one. And this is Matt.
Middle, or the bottom middle, maybe?
No, you're this one.
I want to be that one.
Too bad. And this is Linda with the 2 teeth.
I want bottom, middle, or top left.
And then this one's Grim. With the sparkly eyeballs.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I'm so excited. Oh, damn! You cereal motherfuckers. I can't eat all this. I'm gonna try though.
You got it.
Okay.
You can handle it.
Here, you can have
Yay.
some more of mine.
Bag.
that's the whole thing. Okay, mine's gone up, so.
You don't want that?
Okay, I need milk too.
Mm.
Okay, here you go, Tom.
That's very good.
I'm excited. That is really
It
good.
tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch with a little hint of strawberry, but the strawberry tastes like something else I've had before.
The chapstick?
What? No! It does, doesn't it? It's kind of like that tres leche strawberry cake we get sometimes from Publix.
Because of the milk.
Yeah.
It's that artificial strawberry
It's
flavor that we are grown to love.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch with Frankenberry seasoning.
It really does. That actually is a perfect description. It's so good. I really
It's
like
good.
this.
Definitely enjoyable. I haven't had a bowl of cereal in fucking years.
I fuck with this.
Love cereal. Yeah.
Very good. Wouldn't say it's a massive change. Just like a hint of it at the end.
Well, I gotta rate it out of
good.
10.
I'd say like a 7 out of 10. Not bad.
Yeah.
No, like 7, because it's Cinnamon Toast Crunch anyways.
Yeah.
Right.
It's already good. It just has like a... Back in the day when I was a kid, they had this shit. It's called Carnation Instant Breakfast.
Ooh.
It was like a powder. Mm-hmm. It was like a protein thing, and they had a strawberry version, and this is what it tastes like.
This is my favorite Red Bull. I give it an 8 out of 8. The cereal. Because...
Out of 8.
Yeah.
An 8, a perfect score.
I mean 8 out of 10. I was thinking about eating.
I ate what I ate.
yeah, that.
I'm gonna give it an 8 out of what I ate.
So 8 out of 10 because I already love Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I'm not gonna lie. I really like strawberry flavoring, and I feel like this little hint of strawberry just takes it to that next level for me.
Strawberry's really big this year with new products.
I'm so happy about that.
Freaking everybody's got a strawberry, including Goldfish have a strawberry flavor coming out, which is weird.
What?
And Fruity Pebbles is supposed to have a strawberries and cream.
Excited for that.
Actually, Matt was, he sent me that one the other day. I'm excited. I love new flavors like this.
So yeah, guys, Will will be here.
Tommy didn't rate it.
No,
Tommy, what are you doing?
I said it was pretty good.
No, you gotta give it a score out of 10.
Tommy is our most staunch reviewer with his pinpoint accuracy in reviews. What do you think, Tommy?
I like the way it crunches. The sudden notes of strawberries mixed with the cinnamon gold. I don't fucking know. It's fucking cereal.
Oh, no. For once you were doing your fucking job. Come on, man.
It's pretty good.
So what would you rate it out of 10?
Dude, like I said, I haven't fucking had a bowl of cereal in years. But I give it at least a 6.
Alright. So, 6, 7, 7, 8, 7 overall.
Average of 7.
Yeah.
It's good.
That is a really good score.
I think
That comes from somebody whose probably favorite cereal would be either like Captain Crunch or Fruity Pebbles
Gotcha.
or Cocoa Pebbles.
I love cinnamony cereals like this one, Life,
that Life
Pops.
blueberry strawberry stuff y'all got
It's really good.
is really good.
It's the new Life. It's the immune support, like strawberry blueberry bliss. That one's very good. We tried it the other morning.
Really reminds me of Trix. Very, very similar to Trix.
It
Almost
is.
tastes like my fucking vape.
What?
I have a graham cracker vape, but it almost tastes like a Fruity Pebble cereal.
That's actually kind of cool.
So this graham mixed with strawberry is very similar to the vape that I'm smoking.
Oh, the milk's like pink. That's so cool. I'm bumping my score up to 9 just because of that. Now the average is a 7.5.
I win.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to rate.
No, you still have some squares in there, actually. Okay, now you win.
I think mine and his bowl were pretty close, though.
I don't know we were competing. Why did I finish last and I have the least?
I know, right? So yeah, guys, check out
I'm slow.
Cinnamon Life Crunch Toast, Cinnamon Toast Crunch Strawberry.
Cinnamon Life Toast Crunch Strawberry.
It's good shit.
If your life doesn't have Cinnamon Toast Crunch strawberries in it, then you suck.
And that's just a great example of how a box of cereal, even a fucking family size,
Ooh,
is literally only 4 servings.
I gotta be just like my twin on there.
That's a family size, because a family can have 1 bowl apiece.
To be fair, we had like 3 bowls worth of a bowl.
Hell, you say.
1 bowl for us. Is
I
very
had the
big.
biggest bowl.
What does it say serving size
4
on that?
adult servings, like dinner servings.
13 servings in this container.
We just had 4.
Just 13.
Yes.
I had 12 of those servings.
Yeah,
So
you did.
we had 3 bowls of cereal apiece by what this is. So that's only, let's see, 460 some odd calories. And
It's fine. We deserve it. Mm-hmm. We've been working hard this week.
we did good. Give a fuck.
Stop making me laugh when I'm trying to drink stuff. But you know this happens.
That was the only clean bowl that we didn't use.
Oh, damn it.
And now we have to watch you guys do a bowl.
Sorry, guys.
Yep, there it is, guys.
No, my nose is still wet. Stop. I don't know how it got on my nose.
You know,
So
you
yeah,
actually-
guys, check out Cinnamon Life Strawberry Cereal Crunch. Life Cinnamon.
Life,
Life Crunch.
when life gives you crunches, You make cereal.
Bug out ass. Carrie looking like a chinchilla. Okay, guys. Stay rotten, eat cereal.
Stay rotten.
Stay rotten.
Drink some milk.
Drink some milk. It's bad for you.
What?